Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wide Open Water. I'm your host Camden Droppo, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some clips that never made it into any of my videos this year. Some of them are going to be coming from or consisting of some bass fishing, carp fishing, a little bit of catfishing, but you guys will all see that here in a minute. My first video, I end up topwater fishing for largemouth bass, and my biggest tip leading into this video is always have a second lure to throw if a bass misses your topwater frog. Most of the time I end up tying on a Senko, and in this video clip I'm fishing with the topwater frog. This bass blows up on my frog in a large mat and completely whiffs on it. And I reel in quick and I grab my follow-up lure on a second rod and I cast it out there and I hook up into this nice 3-pound largemouth. So here's the clip and I hope you guys enjoy. So the next clip on this episode is myself on the Des Moines River, and I was going to chase some flathead catfish or just anything in general. I come up onto this big sandy bank. The water is really low this time of year, and I cast a big chunk of gizzard shad over into some brush, and in a matter of seconds I hook up into a catfish. It ends up being just a little channel cat, but it ended up being a really cool experience. So hope you guys enjoy this clip. That's a fish. What do we got? Doesn't feel very big. Channel cat? Oh yeah. That guy hit it right when the water, hit it right when I got in the water. Yeah. And the hook just fell out too. Wow. Yeah, thank you. Oh, as I'm walking in my line.
I can't believe how fast you had that on. I was starting to think it was wrong.
Yeah, I know. So this little bugger, cute little guy, I cast it out by those logs over there, and a matter of seconds. This guy already bit. And let's let him go. This next clip takes place at the spillway where I did my spearfishing video. I'm using a small circle hook and a chunk of bread, and all I'm doing was I was dropping it down and leaving the bread on the top or on the surface of the water, and I was trying to catch carp. And within my first couple tries, I ended up catching a nice little carp, and I also hook up onto this fish on the wrong side of this bridge, and so it was very chaotic trying to land this fish, but with the help of my good friend Chris Perkins, we were able to land this carp, and it was a really great experience. So I hope you guys enjoy this. So I got some bread on right here, and there's some monster carp down here feeding on the, probably just some algae being stirred up. But we're gonna see, there's actually a big gizzard shed down there too. I'm gonna throw just some bread down there and see if I can get any of these big guys. But I'm gonna have to really be careful. The one looking at it. Got him! Huh. That's a big carp. He's huge. I'm gonna have to walk it. Yeah. Yeah. The big boy just came out of nowhere and hammered it. So what I'm gonna have you do is that I'm gonna pass you the rod right now, and then I'm gonna crawl under, and then you like out on the outside with your. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
I gotcha.
So I'm gonna, if you grab it down here now. Got it? I'm gonna go as far under as possible.
I think we can just do this.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, maybe over there.
First carp on the bread. Awesome. Let's get him back. The last video I'm going to show you guys here is myself out muskie fishing. I was throwing a big rubber bait, working it very fast on a big drop off, and this out of nowhere this muskie came and hammered my bait. It ended up being 28 inches. It was not a big trophy muskie, but it was a really fun experience, and catching any muskie at any point is just a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this clip. Get on. Log. There's that a fish. That's a fish. Holy shit. Alright, well, second spot tonight, Neller muskie. Just a little one. So we're gonna say 28 inches for this guy. Nice little muskie. We're gonna get him back in the water here. Not a big one, about 28 inches. And there he goes. Well, that about wraps up today's video, and I hope everyone really enjoyed it. I was really glad to be able to share these video clips because I did not want them just to get left in my hard drive. Looking forward to this channel. Next year, I really want this channel to really progress. I want to be able to get some really cool ice fishing video clips for you guys, some more hunting, and if you guys ever have any suggestions, feel free to comment down below or send me an email at ask.wideopenwater@gmail.com. So, until next time, guys, I'm Camden Droppo with Wide Open Water, and I'll see you guys next time.